Welcome to the HONOR X5c channel. Today I'll show you how to delete Google Advertising ID on the HONOR X5c Plus. So first open settings by scrolling down from the top right corner and pressing this little button. Now scroll all the way down to the Google option, and here click on all services and scroll down again to the Add section. Here we can reset and delete. Let's press delete. Click delete advertising ID. So that's how you do that. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the HONOR X5c channel for more videos. Leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.